Hey, what's up, guys? It's Quentin B. Smith from Millennials to Millionaires. I want to shoot a quick video for you about what is an investment bank. All right, so everybody has seen these and don't really know what they are, so I'm going to break it down for you. An investment bank is actually just a bank that lets you invest in the stock market. So here's the deal with banking in America. Um, Most people know about Wells Fargo and Bank of America, but what they don't know is that those are only for FDIC insured type of savings, right? Meaning that if you lose your money inside your bank, like you have Bank of America and something happens, they're going to give you your money back, right? But the same is not true for investing in the stock market. If you lose your money on your own, they're not giving you your money back. So by law, these banks, huge banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, all of them, they have to create a separate bank for investing. Hence the name investment bank. So what happens is Bank of America has another side. You can see right here, investing. It's called Merrill Lynch. Let me see if I can just find their regular homepage for you. But Bank of America and Merrill Lynch are the same company. It's just they have to separate the two. Now most people create a different name. Bank of America and Merrill Lynch, same bank, different names. Wells Fargo has an investing section. It's actually just called Wells Fargo. But I'm sure like on the legal side, they've got some type of Wells Fargo Investments, Inc. They just changed the name a little bit where the consumer still knows like it's Wells Fargo, but it is a separate company. Now here's some other ones so that you're not confused when you're in the city. You understand what these banks are. You're seeing them all the time. TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an investment bank. They also have checking accounts and all that other stuff, but these guys really invest your money. You can invest with them. I'm trying to think of one more. Fidelity. It's a bank account. You know what I mean? It's a bank account, but you can trade stocks within it. And ETrade. You might have heard of ETrade. ETrade is another big one where you can invest your money in the stock market. And I know it seems like kind of scary, like, oh man, my money's not insured. Trust me, these guys know what they're doing. They just can't insure it because there are no guarantees in the stock market. But hey man, investment banking, it's the only way you're going to be able to invest inside of the stock market. You can't do it at Bank of America or your regular bank. You need to set up a regular account. Now I have TD Ameritrade, so it's as simple as, if I can get my close some of these windows. It's as simple as setting up an account. It's free. And if you have any questions, like, they have a great team. And we also have lots of videos on how to invest with TD Ameritrade if you check out our channel. Once you set up your account, you're able to trade online. Now, the next biggest thing is just figuring out what type of account you should open. And we have other videos for that. So I'll link them for you. And I hope this video helped you. If you are on social media, which I'm sure you are, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those social media at M2 Millionaires with the Millennials to Millionaires. And I'll see you next time. Peace.